Yeah, yes.
Thank you, my lord. Brick, can you proceed now?
I'm still under oath, Brigadier.
Yes, my lord.
I'm going to put these few versions for your comment, Brigadier.
Yes, my lord.
That accused number 5 will say that on the 26th of October 2014, he was at work in Boksburg from the morning to the afternoon, which is 8 o'clock to 2 o'clock on that day. And thereafter, he moved to George Koch Hostel, wherein he met with accused number 3 and 4.
I do know that they were together that day, my lord. In other words, the accused 3, 4, 5, but later joined by 1 and 2.
Umsolo wesihlanu ke uthi ke ngelanga la nge-26 October 2014 ekseni ke wayoshaya ke ngo-2 wayesemsebenzini. Emuva kwalokho ke waseya eGeorge Koch la ahlangana khona ke nomsolo wesithathu kanye nowesine. Ngiyazi ukuthi ke babe ndawonye ngalelo langa ke u3, 4 and 5. Kamuva ke base kufika ke naye unumber 1 no2.
I'll then display this version later on through the evidence of the cell phone records. And then secondly, accused number 5 denies that he was with accused number 4, 3, 2 and 1 at Basotho Hostel in Vosloorus as per your evidence.
No, but that will be not correct, my lord, because my evidence is based on the investigation, on the outcome of the investigation, and I've referred to the statement of Constable Zungu. I've referred to the statement of Kwabeni, the people who saw, in particular, accused 5 there with the vehicle that he was driving.
Umsolo wesihlanu ke uzothi ke akulona ke iqiniso ukuthi yena ke wayesebasuthu hostel nomsolo wesine, owesithathu, owesibili kanye nowokuqala. Kodwa ke lokho ke akulona ke ngazo i26 October 2014 akulona iqiniso. Ngishilo ke ukuthi ke ubufakazi ke bukhombile noma buyakhomba ke ukuthi ke ngempela ke wayelapho umsolo wesihlanu ebasuthu hostel. Khulumile ngaye uSifise Kwabeni uZungu kanye naye ke uConstable uZungu.
Such, my lord, is further mentioned on exhibit HH and JJ by accused number 2 himself.
Lokho okunye futhi lokho ke kuyaphinda kuyashiwo ke uyena ke umsolo wesibini kulamazibiti ke uHH kanye noJJ.
Accused number 5 will further, can I proceed, my lord? Thank you, my lord. Will further tell this court that he never drove a Polo, which has been described by yourself on the 26th of October at Basotho Hostel in Vosloorus.
Why do you say it has been described by himself? Is that the evidence?
My lord,
that it is described by Brigadier Gininda and not witnesses? Or you are not listening to yourself?
No, not really, my lord. The reason why I framed it like that is because the witness referred to the evidence of Constable Zungu.
Yeah, but that's not his evidence. He says he derives the evidence from statements made by Gwabeni, at least at the Basotho Hostel, and Zungu.
Yes.
But now you are saying he is describing the fact that your client will deny that he was driving that vehicle, as if he is the one who is saying he was there at Basotho Hostel. He's not saying
Or
this.
maybe, my lord, if I can rephrase to say as you were told by Constable Zungu.
Yeah,
Thank you.
just so put it properly.
Thank you, my lord.
So my lord, the evidence
Repeat?
is
Should I repeat, my lord?
Yeah, put it properly.
Thank you.
Accused number 5 will deny.
Accused number 5 will deny that he drove the Polo vehicle as you have been told by Constable Zungu on the 26th of August 2014 at Basotho Hostel.
Yeah, my lord, I don't think that will be true because it's not only Constable Zungu who mentions that. Kwabeni mentions that he was driving that vehicle, and as I said, it is further correlated by or mentioned by accused 2 in exhibit HH and JJ that indeed accused 5 was driving a silver Polo, my lord.
Umsolo wesihlanu ke futhi ke uzokuphikisa ke uJax lona ke iqiniso ukuthi ke nge26 kaOctober 2014 wayeshayela ke iPolo eyayigrey ngombala ke khona ke eBasuthu Hostels nanjengoba usho ukuthi watshelwa uyena ke uGwabeni noma ke uConstable Zungu. Akusilona ke iqiniso lelo ke ngoba ke yebo kubufakazi bayasho ke noma ubuyasho ukuthi wayeshayela yona kanye futhi naye umsolo wesibili ke kwistatement zakhe uHH no JJ uyakusho ke lokho ukuthi umsolo wesihlanu wayeshayela yona leyo moto.
Accused number 5 will also deny that he entered into the bedroom or into the room belonging to Gwabini at the hostel in the presence of Constable SS Zungu.
My lord, that's not true because like I said, in addition to Constable Zungu, you have to look at Gwabeni, what he says in his statement, but also HH and JJ places accused 5 at some meeting room. I'm just not sure whether it's his room or Gwabeni's room, but there was a room that was used prior to the killing of the deceased in this matter.
Umsolo wesihlanu aqhubekeke futhi athi yena akazeke angene kwikamera ke lakhe ke uGwabeni la khona ke ekwakuyodingidwa noma ke ekabuyoxoxa khona ke lokho ke akusilona ke iqiniso kuyashiwo uyena ke uGwabeni kanye naye ke uConstable uZungu angazi nje ukuthi kwakuyikamera lakhe noma kwakuyela Gwabeni kanye futhi nakusona ke istatement sakhe ke umsolo wesibili ukuthi ngaphambilini kokuthi umufi abulawe wangenwa ke khona lapho kulelo kamera.
Accused number 5, thank you, Madam. Accused number 5 will further deny that he discussed, he planned, together with all the 4 accused who are before this court, the killing of the deceased at Basuthu Hostel on the 26th of October 2014 in the room as it has been said before this court.
My lord, that's not what the evidence revealed. The evidence revealed that there was a meeting on the 26th of October 2014 at the hostel. That's where the coming together of the accused is picked up. They left together. The deceased was then killed. They went back to the said hostel. You find that, like I said, my lord, in exhibit HH and JJ. You find that also in supporting statements. What you also find, my lord, is that in exhibit JJ, allegations are made that the trigger point of this whole thing is Miss Kelly Khumalo. In support of that, you then find the communication that was picked up by the cell phone analyst with regard to the calls that were made on the 2nd of August 2014 that links now accused 5 to Miss Kelly Khumalo, and the 15th of August 2014. So the last call of the 15th of October, my apologies, my lord, the second call of the 15th of October 2014, it's about 11 days before. That is the one that we could account for. It's 11 days before the incident took place. And this call was recovered on deleted items of Miss Kelly Khumalo. In other words, there was an effort or an attempt to delete this number, but the analysts were able to recover it. And that number then was linked then to accused number 5.
Umsolo wesihlanu ke futhi ke uzokuphikisa ke ukuthi ke wayingxenye ke la ekwahlelwa khona ke kwahlolwa phansi kwaqoqwa ke kwase kuthathwa isinqumo ke ukuthi kuzoyobulawa umufi ke ekwenzeka lokho eBasuthu Hostel nge26 kaOctober 2014. Lokho ke akusilona ke iqiniso kunobufakazi ke obukhona kuyatholakala lokho kuzona ke istatement uHH no JJ ukuthi ke kwakunomhlangano owawukhona ke ngaphambilini kokuthi umufi abulawe kwase kuyahanjwa ke umufi wabulawa kwabuyela khona ke kulona lelo hostela kulona ke ihostel lelo futhi ke kanye ke uma kwatholakala nokuthi kwakunokuxhumana okwakukhona phakathi kwakhe umsolwa wesihlanu kanye naye ke uMiss Kelly Khumalo nge-2 kaAugust 2014 ne-15 October 2014. Lokho ke kwatholakala ke la khona ke kuma deleted messages or items akhe ke uMiss Kelly Khumalo ukuthi ke wayefuna ke ukuthi ke lokho kungabonakali kungatholakali kodwa ke abacwaningi bama cellphone bakuthola.
My lord, lastly, it is because it's contained in HH and JJ that the last amount, I do recall that the last amount of 30,000, as a payment for this contractual killing that was given to accused number 2 was given by accused number 5 according to exhibit HH and JJ. That is the amount of 30,000 that was added to the 15,000 that he initially received at the hostel.
Okunye futhi ke kuzona ke le statement lesi ke HH no JJ kuya kukhona ke lapho kubhaliwe ke lapho ukuthi ke amount leyo yogcina ke ka 30,000 umsolo wesibili wayinikezwa uyena umsolo wesihlanu.
But that evidence, Brigadier, is inadmissible against accused number 5. You know that. You're doing LLB degree.
Yes, my lord, but like I said, it is admissible insofar as there is consent, but I'm referring to the correlation of events, because I'm being told there's a denial, and I'm saying that cannot be true because of the following reason. And that's all that I'm putting it, my lord.
Okay.
Kodwa ke uyazi ke ukuthi lobo bufakazi ke lobo khuluma ngabo ukuthi ke asibona ke ubufakazi obusebu ngasetshenziswa ke ngakuyena umsolo wesihlanu uyakwazi lokho ufundela ke ezomthetho yebo ngakwazi kodwa ke engikushoyo ke ngoba kuthiwa ke lana ke uyaphika ke umsolo wesihlanu ngithi ke ngenxa yalezi izathu lezi ingakho ke ngikusho lokho.
But I also know, my lord, sorry to come in.
Please don't be long.
Yeah, no, I won't be long. But I also know, my lord, that, and I've said this before, that should accused 2 take a stand and confirm.
No, you cannot say that.
Can I finish?
You cannot say that. Please.
My lord, I was asked if I know the position of the confession, and I'm saying I'm aware that it's not admissible, but I'm also aware that should accused 2 take a stand and agree to what is contained in that confession, that can be used as evidence against the accused. I also know that.
That's a
because I'm being asked what I
speculation.
know.
That's a speculation, Kininda. That's a speculation.
My lord, I'm being asked as to what I know, my lord.
Well, these are legal concepts, and Brigadier Gininda is right. There's authority to that effect.
Okay, can I move on with the version?
Yes, my lord.
Because otherwise we'll be arguing on nothing and waste the court's time. The next version for the accused is that the accused will deny that he ever drove the Polo motor vehicle as referred to on the 26th of October 2014 to the crime scene, which is at Fort Loras, Hutlanong Street, when the incident took place in this matter.
My lord, Exhibit HH and JJ says he drove the vehicle. He was the one that was guarding the vehicle. He drove the getaway car. He remained in the vehicle when the incident was committed, and he drove the vehicle back to Basutini Hostel.
Umsolo wesihlanu futhi kaphinda akuphikeke ukuthi ke yena ke ngelanga la nge-26 October 2014 wayishayela ke imoto lena ekuyipolo ipolo Vivo eyayigrey ngombala exhibit HH no JJ uyasho ke ukuthi uyena ke wayishayela leyo moto wasala ke emotweni ngathi ke abanye noma ke isigameko lesi senzeka ke wayishayela futhi imoto ukubuyela khona ke eBasuthu Hostel.
Okay, accused number 5 will also deny that he ever agreed with the 4 accused together with Ms. Kelly Khumalo to commit the offense in the furtherance of the common purpose in this case.
My lord, like I said, the evidence in the docket says otherwise. The first part of Ms. Kelly Khumalo, there is communication links on those dates that indeed he spoke to Ms. Kelly Khumalo. The accused, all of them, this is now accused 5 with the other 4 accused, are placed at Basutini Hostel, my lord, by the witnesses I've referred to, Zungu, Kwabeni, and in addition, what is contained in the 2 exhibits. Prior to the commission of this offense, they left together with that understanding that they are going to kill the deceased. It was discussed at the hostel. There was a clear understanding that when they are going there, the deceased will be killed. They departed. There was a struggle. Indeed, the deceased was shot. They came back, my lord. When they came back, it is contained also in the statements that accused number 1 was the first to announce in a celebration that they've heard that the deceased has been killed. It is contained in the evidence, my lord, in the statements, and in the statement of Zungu, Zungu being Kwabeni now, where assertions are made that he was even shocked because it was before they could hear this thing on the news that now Senzo Meyiwa has been killed. So that assertion will not be correct, my lord.
Angeke kube lona ke iqiniso uma ethi ke akazange ke ahlanganyeleke noma bendawonye nabanye abasolwa ke abawu4 futhi ke babemqondo munye ke ukuthi ke kanye behlanganisa naye ke uMiss Kelly Khumalo ukuthi kuzobulawa ke yena ke umufi lokho akusilona ke iqiniso ngoba yena ke uZungu uGwabeni bayakusho ke lokho ukuthi ke babendawonye ke khona lapha yana ehostel kungaphambilini kokuthi ke abulawe umufi uma behamba ke besuka khona lapho beya la umufi ayekhona ke bahamba ke bazi bonke ukuthi ke la baya khona kuyobulawa yena ke umufi kanye futhi ke naye ke uHH kanye naye ke uJJ kukhona ke kuyatholakala khona lapho.
Furthermore, accused number 5 will tell this court that he never received any money from Kelly Khumalo and he never paid any of the accused, or he never gave any money to any of the accused.
That's not correct, my lord. The statement, the evidence rather that we've got, and I can that's why I will refer specific to HH and JJ, is that accused 2 received the 30,000 at least, because there I recall from accused number 5, and I've said, my lord, that it will make no logic. I've said it yesterday, that if people are acting in common purpose, others will receive money and others will not receive money.
Is that a speculation or is the evidence before this court that others received money and others did not receive?
My lord, I've said logic. I think
Then
that's how I phrase it, my lord. I didn't say it's evidence before court. I said logic, to me at least, will dictate that if people act in common purpose and we have evidence that others receive money, it will not make sense, my lord, that others will not receive. And I'm saying logic to me, my lord.
Futhi ke umsola wesihlanu ke uthi ke yena ke akazeke athole imali kuyena uKelly Khumalo nokuthi yena ke anikezeke abasola noma ke umunye abasolwa ke imali lokho ke akusilona ke iqiniso ngoba lokho kukhona ke kuyena ke exhibit HH ukuthi ke umsola wesibili la asho khona ke ukuthi ngiyazi ke khulumile ngawo 30,000 awuthola kuyena ke umsolwa wesihlanu. Futhi ke ngishilo ngaye izolo ke ngathi ke angeke kube yinto ke uma uyilalele ezwakalayo ke ukuthi abanye uma ukuthi abantu bahlangeneke noma bamqondo munyeke ngokwenza into ukuthi abanye bakhokhelwe base abanye bengakhokhelwe.
Unfortunately, Brigadier, that logic is not the evidence before this court.
But my lord, I thought the 2 confessions were admitted by the court, and if they are, I mean, it is contained there that accused 2 received the 30,000 from accused number 5. It's contained in exhibit HH and JJ.
Kodwa ke ngikwazi ukuthi le statement embili ke inkantolo ke izamukeleke njengobufakazi ke ngaphambi kwayo futhi ke lokho ke kubhaliwe khona lapho kule statement uHH no JJ ukuthi ke umsolo wesibili wathola ke 30,000 kuyena umsolo wesihlanu.
Thank you, Brigadier. Can we go to exhibit S, photo number 17? You have already been referred to that picture, but I just want to confirm one thing with you as the lead and senior investigator in this matter.
Yes, my lord.
From the look of buildings that are depicted in that picture, accused number 5 says that is where he met with accused number 3, and that place is not Basotho Hostel in Vosloorus, but it is George Koch Hostel in Johannesburg. Do you have any comment?
Yeah, but my lord, from where I'm standing, I don't see any markings of George Koch, and I was not given an opportunity to look. If it was given to me to say this place is situated at a specific place in George Koch Hostel, and I had to go and verify it because it's an alibi of now accused 5, I would have gladly done it. But from looking at the picture, I only see a building, and I can't now really say it's George Koch because I don't see anything that tells me that it is George Koch, my lord.
Lana ke mina ngibona ibhilidi kuphela kukho okungibonayo ekuyinkomba kumina ukuthi lena ke George Koch uma kuukuthi ke isikhathi ke noma ithuba ke benginikeziwe kuthiwe ke le ndawo indawo ethize eGeorge Koch angihambe ke ngiyoqinisekisa ke bengizokwenza lokho.
The best inference I can refer to or look at, my lord, is to see where was the cell phone location of accused number 3 around that time. So I can only comment around that. I can't simply look at the building and say it's George Koch. I'm unable to assist with that.
Can I give you that homework to do it over the weekend?
To find the location of the cell phone as to where it was this time.
Yes.
My lord, I can, but the difficulty I'm going to have is that when you look at the cell phone records in terms of the time that you find, which is an open account, from what I've heard when I received the report from Colonel Stein, is that there's a time difference because these are downloads. It's not actually the time that is depicted in real times. In other words, in the records you'll get a real time timing that will be documented. Here, when you look at the downloads, there's a 2-hour difference. I just don't know how it works, so I don't want to come now and give a wrong assertion to the court. But if one is to look at the real time section 205, so I will be able to say that around this time, on the real time, this is where the phone was. But it doesn't necessarily mean that it corresponds with the downloads, my lord, because I do know that they said there's a difference issue, my lord.
Sorry, who have shown on that picture for the court's records?
It's accused number 3 on the left, my lord,
No, I'm
and
asking
accused...
Advocate Mshololo.
It's accused number 5 and accused number 3.
Accused number
5 and accused number 3.
accused number 3.
Yes, my lord, the accused version is that the picture depicted there is the building of a George Koch hostel in Johannesburg. Then my question to the witness, you know, although he has gone far and far away, was I just asked, can you confirm if that picture depicted there is that one of George Koch or that one of Basotho Hostel? And I'm asking that with due respect.
Who are you asking?
The witness, my lord.
Is it proper?
My lord,
No, I'm just asking, is it proper?
it is proper, my lord, because he is the
Okay,
investigating
just
office.
Listen to me.
Yes,
when
ma-
he comes and contradicts that, what are you going to say? Are you with me?
Yes, my lord.
Yeah, as long as you've heard me.
But I'm entitled.
No. You've heard me, fine. If you want to go and ask him to do whatever, fine. That's your risk. Your client's risk.
Can I proceed?
Yes.
Thank you. Mr. Keninda, my question to you, if you can be able to respond. If you cannot be able to respond, let's move on and not waste the court's time. Because I just want to get the confirmation as the investigating officer. If you were not the investigating officer, I thought maybe you had an opportunity to look at the evidence that is contained in your docket. That's why I'm asking this question. And there is no harm if we have not searched or if we have not confirmed and you just say, no, I cannot confirm which area it's that.
My lord, that's what I said, my lord, that looking at the picture, I'm
Yes.
unable to say this
say.
is George Koch or Basotho because I will need more evidence to say that, my lord.
It's
On the
enough.
picture itself, I can't say it, my lord.
Uma ngibheke nje isithombe kuphela ke akukho ke ongangisilekelela ungisiza ukuthi ngisho ukuthi iyona iGeorge Koch noma ke akusiyona iBasotho.
My lord, can I just have a word with accused number 5?
Yeah.
I see his hand.
Sorry, so that picture is picture number what? Number 17. At what time was it taken, if it shows there?
My lord, can I come and respond on this?
Yeah, you say.
Thank you, my lord, for the court's indulgence.
What time does it reflect
My
there?
lord, that picture
Yeah.
was taken at 1700 hours, 28 minutes, 39 seconds.
39 seconds.
39 seconds. Yes.
Okay.
May the court just bear with me, my lord. I'm just double checking.
Yeah, fine.